Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Uno. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the friends option in the bottom section of your screen. Here in the search bar, you can type in the ID of the person that you want to add as friend, or you can simply add the recommended ones in the right hand side of your screen. Now tap on the profile icon with the plus sign of the person that you want to add as friend. Once the person accepts your request, he or she will be added as your friend. So that is how you can add friends on Uno. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.